All right, so let's go over here and do our word wall card chant. Sit on the blue card. Here we go. Block A, block A, A.
Block A, block A, A.
Single A says A.
Single A says
I says I.
I says I.
And guess what? Doesn't that I look like the number 1? So that's how you can remember one syllable Y says I. See, you have to use those little tricks. Say just a puff of air. Say it. And then even for this one, it's not really duh, it's let me hear you like this one. Yeah, just a little pop of air. And then there was another one, fan. It's not fuh, it's just make the air come out, okay? Let me hear you say, there. Okay, we're gonna do a little word work today, okay? Before we make our next letter. So yesterday we made block E, remember?
Two-syllable Y says E. E says E. And E says E.
Excellent. See how good you're getting at that? Let me see it again. And remember I showed you this brick to show that just like a block builds a building, a vowel is like a block that builds a word. Okay, now this meat has 2 E's, like 2 best friends. Don't sometimes, are you all best friends? No. Well, you all are really good friends, right? And sometimes you wear your hair the same.
And sometimes we fight.
But you fight because you're so much alike. Look at these letter E's. Aren't they a lot alike? Don't they look alike? That lets us know that 2 friends are meeting up. So, okay, sound. E-A says.
E-A says E.
Yeah, because when
The
two
first
vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Let's put in a sound here. Sound. Sound. Word.
Meat.
Now these 2 words sound exactly the same, don't they?
Yeah.
That's called a homophone. Don't you hear the word phone, like telephone in there? Let me see your telephone. So a homophone means that 2 words sound alike, but guess what? They mean 2 different things, and they're spelled differently. Now this meat is the meat you were thinking about, Nicole. The meat that you eat. Because look, don't you see the word eat hiding in meat? So don't we eat meat?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's sing these 2 words because they sound alike, but they're spelled differently and they have different meanings. Okay, let's try it. Meat and meat. Meat and meat. The E in meat now says E. The EA in meat now says E. Try the next one. Sound.
E.
Which E, boys?
E-A says E.
Because
When 2 fell go walking, the first one does the
you
talking.
got it now. Sound.
Ooh,
Sound.
Ooh.
Word.
Meal.
Good. I ate a delicious meal for breakfast. Sound.
E.
Which E, boys?
E says E.
Because
When 2 fell go walking, the first one does the
you're
talking.
getting it now. Sound.
Ooh.
Word.
E.
The sounds that we have up here. So E-A says E and the word is leave. E-A says E and the word
says
single E says E and the word is me. E says E and the word is C. E says E and the word is me. Right, have to stop on that. If you missed it, guess what we're gonna do?
Fix.
We're gonna fix it. We're not going to erase. We're gonna circle our mistake and fix it above the mistake. The next word is see. Like, do you see me? Let me hear you say see.
C.
Tap it. E. See. Write it. And then code it when you're done writing it. Prove that it says see. Prove it. Very good. All right. And then something needs to be crossed out because perfect. You should have S-E-E, and the first guy is talking. Tie, we're gonna keep on going. Our letter for today is the I. Let's sing the card. Block guy, I. Repeat. Single I says I. I blink E says I. IGH says I. One syllable Y says I. And IE says I. Now pick out your play color and make your letters on the back of this, okay?
Right here?
Yeah. And I want you to say, right here, hear me read. No, with your clay. Remember how we did yesterday?
Well, I could just stick it in there.
Yeah, however you want to do it. Let me see you eat a piece of candy and say E. Blinky says E.
Blinky says E.
Very good. Keep going. Now it's time to read your new book. Now that book has the E and the I sounds together. So you have to highlight all those sounds. And when you highlight, you can just do it like this. Just color it in. Color right on top of those letters, okay? I blank E. E-A. Single E. Oh, here's another one. I blank E. I-N-D also says I. Okay? Now you do the next page. Start from the beginning.
If I'm new, we ride 3 miles, we find a stream. I find a seat near the stream. The steam feels fine, my feet feel fine. We see a fine eel. The eel sees me. He hides.
Oh, I'm sorry. Keep going. Good.